Alright, so we're out enjoying the Alabama weather here. It's a nice sunny day. This is one of the best days that we've had since we've been here. And so there's really nothing better to do than to sit outside underneath the umbrella and just enjoy the sunshine as it falls from the sky. And I just really wanted to share that with everyone. So yeah, greetings from sunny Alabama. Now, if I had my motorcycle with me, my ordinary method of enjoying this particular type of sunshine would be to get out and take a ride. It's a great way to clean your bike off without really having to scrub. And you can clean your helmet, your jeans, the whole thing. You just bring home, strip out of those clothes, throw them in the dryer, and you are set. But right now my bike is in Idaho, so you know I can't do what I normally do, which is why we're just sitting here recording videos and chatting and, you know, enjoying the cool air, which is one of the things that I want to mention about this kind of Alabama sunshine, is that this type of sunshine in Alabama is much cooler. You can just sit here and enjoy things with the kind of clothes that I'm used to wearing, you know. How rude to interrupt me with a thunder strike or a lightning strike and a thunder echo like that. I missed the lightning. It was right up off over there. So, but this is the first time since I've been here that I've actually been able to wear my Milwaukee heated jacket. Really missing my Carhartt gear, and so this is pretty nice. I'll turn the camera around and see if we can catch any lightning strikes. I should probably be holding on to some metal pole or something to ground myself, don't you think? In case anyone's wondering where I came up with the idea of calling this Alabama sunshine, if you're not a Jim Croce fan, you may not figure that out, but there is a Jim Croce song called Alabama Rain, and I don't know, I mean, who wants rain, right? Rain? That's lame. So instead of rain, we're having sunshine, just liquid sunshine falling from the sky, and yeah, so there you go. That's the story behind that. And if you're really lucky, I will publish this video where my adoring public will be able to see it. Well, here ends my break from IT Pro TV. I guess it's probably time to go back and learn some more security things. Been waiting for some big thunder and lightning, but I guess that's not coming until I go back inside.